Remember I said that African threading broke my plateau? Well, it did, but it also created other problems for me that I really cannot afford to make. So I stopped doing traditional African threading, but I never stopped believing threading was the right stretching method for fine, low density 4C hair. I just needed to modify it. Plain and simple, this traditional way is not a friend to my edges or my roots. If you have tried this and felt that, or if you ruled threading out before you even started, keep watching. I have a trick for you. Traditional threading starts at the root. The thread goes or wraps around the base of the scalp and works down from there. On hairlines with more density, that is survivable. There is enough at the root to take it. And no matter how loose I tried to begin, I always felt the tiniest pinch of tension somewhere in the section. On a hairline like mine, where I'm doing everything to preserve what little I have left, this is dangerous because I ended up with tension exactly where this hair can least afford it. Lo and behold, whilst minding my business and drinking my water, I discovered one specific change that fixes it. Start on freshly washed, towel-dried hair. A light leave-in is all you need at this stage because if you add your moisturizer and or butter now, the hair will never dry stretch. Those will go on after the threading is out when you are ready to style. Section your hair based on your length and your density. Shorter hair means smaller sections, whereas longer hair can do larger sections. However, lower density, you can do larger sections. Before anything else, detangle that section thoroughly. This matters more than it sounds because a detangled section stretches further and more evenly than one with knots or tangles. So do not skip this step. Take your silk scrunchie and make a ponytail at the root of the section with the right amount of tension as possible. You are anchoring the hair and beginning the stretch without pulling the scalp. The silk scrunchie sits there and alleviates the tension before the thread ever touches your hair. Thread starts right below the scrunchie. Wrap it down the length. You can leave gaps or wrap continuously depending on your thread. The root is already stretched and taken care of. The thread works the length of the hair. If you want more length from the stretch, take the whole thing down the next day, scrunchie included, and repeat the process on the same section the next day. The second pass gives you noticeably more length. For me, the first pass is usually enough for what I want to do, but the option is there. Here's why this works. Think about how you detangle a section of hair. You grip the roots first, then work the comb through the length. That grip at the root is what keeps the pulling from reaching your scalp. You are absorbing the tension before it basically travels up. The silk scrunchie is doing the same thing. It sits at the root and takes what the thread would have sent straight to your scalp, as well as your edges. The length gets the stretch, the root stays protected, and you won't have to worry about that breakage you see sometimes at the crown or other weaker areas of your scalp. I have done this modified threading method at least 3 times on my own hair, and it hasn't let me down. If you wrote threading off because your hair felt too fine and too delicate for it, the traditional method was, to me, the issue, or the mismatch, I should say. The next day, this is what you are working with. The hair is elongated. The only caveat is it will be much drier than usual, so use a leave-in cream before handling the hair. This is part of my regular rotation now. I came back to it because it works and because I finally understood what was going wrong before. This style, if you'd like a full demo, has already been uploaded for channel members. So join by clicking the link in the description box. And I want to know how many of you are going to be trying this modified African threading method. Remember, you are God's standard of beauty. Take care. Bye.